Hey Law of Attraction fans, my name is Nikki and I just wanted to tell you about manifestation. It really works. It works for me in a really, really big way. I first learned about the Law of Attraction through reading The Secret, and it changed everything for me. My whole thinking went on, turned completely around, and I thought it just made perfect sense that it would work because, you know, our thoughts control everything. I just fully believe that, and it just resonated with me completely. And we were in a situation in our lives where we were broke. I mean, but flat broke. We was not even broke. We were beyond broke. And I downloaded the blank check from this website and wrote it in, and I thought, well, think big, and I wrote it in for R1,000,000, South African rand. I made it out to myself, and I laminated it, and I put it on my wall where I could see it by my desk every day. And I just really worked on believing that it would happen, and I just truly felt it. You've got to really feel it. It's got to sort of be right deeply internally inside you that you believe that it's going to be yours. Don't worry about the how. I didn't worry about how it was going to happen because at that stage we couldn't put together 10 rand, never mind a million. Just don't worry about the how. Just worry about the belief that it is fully yours. Remind yourself over and over every day. I don't work with affirmations per se. I read a book called Affirmations where I put it as a question, which makes more sense to me because it works with my subconscious as well. So every day I was saying, why am I going to get R1,000,000? Why am I going to get R1,000,000? And of course your brain will automatically answer in the positive because it's a positive question, because you will. And eventually it became a habit to sort of daydream on the check in front of me. And eventually I forgot about it. You know, it was on my wall and I saw it every day, and eventually it sort of goes away from your view, but it's right there. And then about a year later, our fortunes had completely changed. I mean, it was absolutely a complete turnaround, and I realized it was almost a year to the date when I looked at my bank statement and I had 992,000 in the bank through a series of events. And I remembered the check on the wall, and I went back to the check, and yeah, the dates were about a year apart. And I even told my husband, and he was like, whoa, okay, I think there's something to this. And I was like, yeah, Law of Attraction, baby, rocks. Absolutely rocks. And I truly believe that. I mean, we had no way of getting that sort of manifestation. I had no way of doing it before. I truly believe the Law of Attraction works. I mean, it's quantum physics. It has to work. Science, it's been proven. And I manifest things all the time now. It's just, you know, little things. And this is a copy of the check. You can see over here. I don't know if you can read it very well, but big and bold. That's what you want to make it. Make it out to yourself and dream big. You know, if you think R1,000,000 a little money, then go for 10 million. You know, the universe doesn't recognize minimums and maximums. You know, it's just as easy to manifest 10 rand as it is to manifest R1,000,000. So why not go for the million? It worked for me, and I know it'll work for you. So give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. Yeah.